Hello everyone. Today we would like to share the work that we finished in a MITSUBISHI Triton 2007, which is the one that in generation 2006 to 2015. So the car comes with the aftermarket single tin radio here, and it was the storage just on the top. And currently we fit it with a new 9-inch full package wireless Apple Carplay, and including full HD anti-glare and super night vision reverse camera. So our iPhone is here, and on the screen it is wireless Apple CarPlay, just simple and easy as any other system we have done. So just have a look how actually the camera is working. So instantly when we move the gear stick, you can see how clear, how sharp it is, because it is full HD, it is anti-glare, and it is super night vision on. Okay, so instantly it moved back when we move the gear stick here, and it instantly works again for the reverse camera. So the performance this one is absolutely perfect. So yeah, that's about it. 2007 Mitsubishi Triton and 9-inch full package. So yep, if you want to know how to remove the system in this one, yeah, we can have another video of the similar model here. And yep, thanks again for watching. See you.